Welcome to our topic series. Today we're talking about different types of helmets that you would find in both the military and in police, primarily here domestically in the United States. I wanted to go first to the older style Passget helmet. Passget is an interesting acronym. It stands for Personal Armor Support Ground Troop, and so that's written out as PASGT. The Passget helmet always has this front brim across the front. This allows a nice mounting platform for our DK5 series of face shields. These come in all sizes, from small through extra large, and the interiors, there can be suspensions, everything from a woven suspension to a foam block suspension. These helmets were also made for the military and surplused back into the community, sometimes repainted, sometimes not. And they were also made just for police departments and directly supplied that way. The second helmet I'd like to bring up is the ACH helmet. ACH stands for Advanced Combat Helmet. There's also been a series of improvements to this design, various manufacturers of it, sizes running from small through extra large. You'll notice particularly that in the front there is no brim, and therefore we have to use the DK6 series face shields to fit this style of helmet. The DK6 fits both the Passget and the ACH, but the DK5 series face shields only fit onto the Passget style helmet. It's also interesting to note that all of our goggles and our goggle attachments work on both styles of helmets. So it's not critical when you're ordering a goggle which type of helmet that you're using, only when you're choosing the face shield. On these ACH helmets, almost all of them have the foam block series or style of suspension on the inside. And so these foam blocks can be easily repositioned inside the helmet to get the fit just right for the wearer. You won't see that as often on the Passget style.